What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, I just got my Galaxy ZFold6 in, so we're just gonna do a little unboxing. This is the 256 variant, so I pretty much am trading my ZFold 4 in and moving on to the Galaxy ZFold6. So just do the pull tabs like so. Ooh, I got that white. Well, you can see they got that white, but everything is in the back. Don't need that. That over there. Ooh, it look good. That looks nice, y'all. Look at that. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice and squared off, as you can see. Pull this off like that. It feel kind of small though. It's a different, very different kind of style from coming from the ZFold 4 and coming from the ZFold 3. So yeah, it's different. It's very boxy, but I do like how it feels in my hand. It does feel pretty nice in my hand compared to, let's see here, the ZFold 4. Yep, it feels a little different compared to the ZFold 4, but it looks good. I like it. I like it a lot. I had to go with that white. This is where you put your SIMS card. I'm glad that Samsung has not got away from SIMS like Apple. So your SIMS card go there. Your power button. This also doubles as your fingerprint scanner. Volume up and down button. I don't know. It looks real sleek, and the hinge is actually there is actually no gap in between, like on the 4 and on the 5. USB Type C has a nice looking hinge to it for where you open it up. No problem. The camera array is kind of different though. Looks kind of weird, but we will see. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy ZFold6, and I will be making more videos and have more content, case videos, so on and so on, even though I already know there's a lot out, but I brought this to my channel and I'm going to be using this, so you guys will get to see some of the coverage that I have. This does look like the bezel. This makes it look like it has a big bezel, that black around the edge. I don't know how well you can see that, but that black around the edge does make it look a little weird. But overall, I do like the way it looks, and I love the way it feels. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you back in the next one. I'm out.